Welcome to Premier Mobility Cars. Here we have a 2013 on a 63 reg, wheelchair accessible Peugeot Partner Horizon 1.6 HDI. Just done 13,500 miles, and as you'll see from this short video, the car is in grade A condition, as is with all of our vehicles. It's a 5-seat allied conversion, so it will be suitable for both private users and also taxi drivers. We can obtain the right documentation if you're a taxi driver for the council, so no need to worry about that. So direct from Motability, comes with a full main dealer service record. This is all of their vehicles, all been serviced to manufacturer specifications. It's the air conditioning model, semi-automatic gearbox, £30 a year road tax. So it's got a lot going for it. Got the electric winch, the web in there. So you have 5 seats, tip and fold quite easily. The back seats out of the way, and there you have the wheelchair space. You may need to do the same with the single rear seat, depending on the size of the wheelchair, so that depends on your own personal circumstances. It's got the fold flat ramp as standard, being an allied conversion, in a sort of deployed position. We'll take a 300 total kg weight on there, so quite a lot. I think it works out just over 30 stone, so we'll take some of the heaviest wheelchairs, but just make sure that it is within the 300 kgs for your own peace of mind. 4-point securing as standard, 2 at the back. There's 2 electric reels at the front of the vehicle, so it's easy to come out, and as I said before, the yellow webbing is the electric winch, so if you need assistance on taking the wheelchair in, the winch will do the job for you quite easily. We've got parking sensors, air conditioning, electric windows, electric mirrors, CD player, ABS, all the stuff or the extras that you'd need on a vehicle as standard. If you're looking to part exchange a vehicle against one of our WAVs, it doesn't have to be wheelchair accessible. We will take any vehicle in, and we'll always do the best by you, because we won't retail your car, so we'll also always get the best price possible for you. If you're looking to finance, do some great deals on the finance. 5% flat rate as standard, and we also offer on certain vehicles 0%, which is based on £6,000 maximum lend over a maximum period of 3 years. So anything over and above the £6,000 you'd have to find as a deposit if you want the 0% interest. If you want to give us a call on 01634 716 911 to discuss anything. Any of our wheelchair accessible vehicles carry about 25 in stock. Generally Peugeot Partners, Peugeot Expert, Citroen Berlingo and VW Caddies. Or if you want to have a look at our stock on our website, you can do so, www.premiermobilitycars.co.uk. or if you prefer to pop along, we always advise make an appointment, but you can turn up unannounced. An appointment's just advisable because we are so busy. We are at Cooling Road Service Station, which is in Wainscott, ME2 4RL. Thanks for watching, we look forward to seeing you soon.